Hi Halifax, it's Tim and Adam coming to you from Colonial Honda on Roby. A lot of people don't realize that Honda wiper blades are designed to use refills, and Adam's going to demonstrate how quick and easy it is to replace them.
All right, to get started, we're going to lift your wiper blade arm up. And then come around the back of your finger, do a little click to release. You're going to hold that towards you. Firmly press down on the blade to release it. Gently drop the wiper blade arm back on the window as to prevent damage. Down near the bottom of the blade, you're then going to slide your insert back until you get to the wider opening here. Once there, you pull the wiper blade out all the way and grab your refill. Your refill has a locking lug on the bottom end, so that's going to go in last. You start with the other end, feed it through the wider opening, which is finicky sometimes, and feed it up through. Fairly simple. Once there, you come back down to the bottom, pull your wiper blade up again, and drop it back down to lock. Once that's done, come back over to your car, lift your wiper arm up, line up the locking line right there, underneath, firmly lock in place, double check that it's locked, and gently drop down out the window. That's simple.
It's just that easy. And remember, you can order these wiper refills online and we'll deliver them directly to your doorstep, or you can swing by the dealership and we'll come out and install them for you on your vehicle without you even actually getting out of the vehicle. So go online to colonialhonda.ca, order them up today, and we'll get them out to you. Thanks Halifax, and stay safe.